My name is Vishnu Gopal TV. I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am from Cooperative School of Law, Kerala. I am a third year student pursuing BBA LLB Honors. Today's topic for this video is equality in state employment. It is being dealt under Article 16, and the purpose of this video is to analyze Article 16 of the Indian Constitution. So we know that Article 16 of the Indian Constitution applies the rule of equality in the matters related to the employment and appointment into any of the offices under which is under the state. So there is a need to analyze this Article 16 and in detail. So Article 16 clause 4b which lays down the rule that if sufficient number of candidates belonging to the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe were not available for the appointment into their reservation quota on their separate quotas which is reserved for them, therefore such seats which are vacant can be filled by fresh available candidates, but a corresponding number of seats must be reserved for such scheduled caste or scheduled tribe for such vacancies in the next year in addition to the reservation quota of the next year. So this is known as carry forward rule, and we all are familiar with it, and it is being dealt under Article 16 clause 4b. So as we know, Article 16 applies the rule of equality in the matters related to employment and appointment into the offices which is under the state, and Article 16 clause 4b lays down this carry forward rule. So the court had clearly declared this carry forward rule which has been mentioned in this Article 16 clause 4b as clearly unconstitutional. So in one of the famous case, we all know that Devadasan versus Union of India case. So here in this case, the validity of carry forward rule was challenged, and here the petitioner contended that carry forward rule creates imbalance in the appointment, and SC/ST candidates are getting more domination over the vacancies. So therefore, here in this case, the court declared the carry forward rule as unconstitutional, and also held that each year the reservation policy for the backward communities should be always less than 50%. And this Devadasan versus Union of India case is one of the important case and how to be looked on to. So in another famous case, that is in CB Muttama versus Union of India, here the service rules requiring a female employee to obtain permission from the government in writing, and the right to promotion is denied on the ground of her marriage was held to be discriminatory, and is a clear violation of Article 14, 15 and 16 of the Indian Constitution. So in this case, the petitioner denied promotion to grade 1 of the Indian Foreign Service under this rule. So that was regarding that case. So in very much one of the relevant case, that is Sodhan Singh Sodhi versus Punjab Electricity Board case. So here the court clearly mentioned that this Punjab Electricity Board, which laid down different pay scales for different employees on the basis of their educational qualifications, is not discriminatory at all under Article 16 of the Indian Constitution. In another case, that is in Praveen Singh versus Union of India, here the Punjab Public Service Commission issued an advertisement for the post of the block development and panchayat officers. Above 4,500 people appeared for the written examination, and after that 130 candidates were called for appearing the viva voice test. So after the viva voice test, the result was published, but the petitioner's name was not there in that list. When the court inquired into the matter, it was evident that more weightage was given to the viva voice test than to the written test. So Supreme Court declared the procedures as unconstitutional and is violative of Article 14 and 16 of the Indian Constitution, and held the viva voice test is only a face-to-face interaction, and the complete potential of the candidate cannot be evaluated through that. So equal weightage must be given to the written test also. So this section 16 clause 5 forbids discrimination in the public employment on religious grounds. Therefore, in these present situations in which equalities are not told, no, are there only in words, so here comes the relevance of such articles. So that's all about the topic. So you can like, subscribe and comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel Lexcliq. Please give me a feedback regarding this video, and if you have any questions related to this video, you may please comment that question in the comment box. I will be replying as soon as possible, and this video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. So by saying these words, I'm concluding. Thank you.